Beetroot is such a versatile vegetable, and when they're in season, I love to cook them. What I've done is just peeled some whole beetroot. So peel them and then quarter them. I've just placed them in some water so they don't dry out while I get the rest of the ingredients into the pan. So into a saute pan with a lid, I'll add some butter, just melt that away, along with some extra virgin olive oil. And we'll just coat the base of that. We want it to be nice and hot. To this, I'm going to add some thyme. So we're going to perfume that butter. You can hear it sort of spit away, along with some garlic. So 3 cloves of garlic that I've bruised. Again, we're flavouring that oil. And some brown sugar. This is really going to accentuate the sweetness of the beetroot. It's also going to help make them quite glossy as they cook. Mix it into that butter, and right there we have a gorgeous base for our beetroot. So in with our beetroot, we'll just drain them off. And I don't add any other vegetable with this because, as you can imagine, it stains the sauce. So we want it to be all about the beetroot quarters. Oh, it already smells so good. We'll give that a bit of a toss. Just coat it in that butter. And beetroot needs some salt, so a good pinch of salt and some pepper. That is smelling great. Coat them in that lovely butter. Great. Deglaze with a little white wine. And the smallest amount of water, so about 100 mils, just a splash, and the lid goes on. Now, you can cook this on the stovetop if you like. It's just going to take a little longer and you've got to constantly turn them. But if you want a really nice even heat, pop them in the oven. 200 degrees for about 45 minutes or until they're tender. Beetroot have come out of the oven. Let's have a look at them. Oh, smells so good with that butter and the garlic, the thyme, and they're perfectly tender. Just to plate these up, we'll just pop them in and around. Just give them a little extra sheen just by putting them in that braising liquid there. So we'll just keep piling them up. Last few on top there. And what goes with beetroot so well? Goat's cheese. So I've got a little goat's cheese here and we'll just break it up, crumble it on top. I love the colour contrast. You could serve this as is with some greens, so some rocket leaves as a salad on the side, or what I love to do is a Sunday roast chook and serve this. It is just the best combination. A little bit more thyme over the top. Just sprinkle that on. A little salt. And finish off with some extra virgin olive oil, a good amount of it, good quality. I love adding that oil at the end because those hot beetroot are going to soak up the flavour of the good quality extra virgin olive oil. Braised beetroot, delicious as is or as a side, give it a go.